Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that uses cryptography for security and operates on a decentralized network. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Cryptocurrencies are often used as an alternative to traditional fiat currencies and can be bought, sold, and traded on online exchanges. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning that they are not controlled by any government or financial institution. Transactions with cryptocurrency are fast and cheap, making it a popular choice for cross-border payments. Cryptocurrencies are stored in a digital wallet, which can be a software program or a hardware device. Cryptocurrencies are based on blockchain technology, which is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. There are over 7,000 different cryptocurrencies in existence as of 2021. Cryptocurrencies have gained popularity as an investment, with some people buying them as a speculative asset. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile, with their prices fluctuating significantly in a short period of time. Cryptocurrencies are often used for illegal activities, such as money laundering and drug trafficking, due to their anonymity. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems and change the way that money is used and transferred. Some countries have banned or restricted the use of cryptocurrencies, while others have embraced them and are developing regulations to govern their use. Cryptocurrencies have attracted the attention of hackers, who have targeted exchanges and individual users in order to steal their digital assets. Cryptocurrency mining, which is the process of verifying and adding transactions to the blockchain, requires specialized equipment and consumes a significant amount of energy. Some experts believe that cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize industries such as banking, supply chain management, and voting systems. Cryptocurrencies have faced criticism for their environmental impact and their potential to facilitate criminal activity. Cryptocurrencies have been used to raise funds through initial coin offerings, ICOs, which are a form of crowdfunding. Cryptocurrencies have faced regulatory challenges, with governments around the world grappling with how to handle them. Despite these challenges, the use of cryptocurrencies continues to grow and evolve. It is difficult to accurately quantify the popularity of cryptocurrency, as it is a decentralized and largely unregulated market. However, there are many different cryptocurrencies in existence, and some of them are more popular and widely used than others. According to CoinMarketCap, a website that tracks the market capitalization and price of various cryptocurrencies, the most popular and widely used cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum, Binance Coin, Dogecoin, and Tether. These 5 cryptocurrencies make up the majority of the cryptocurrency market and are often the most widely traded and widely accepted. Other popular cryptocurrencies include Litecoin, Cardano, Polkadot, and XRP. There are many more cryptocurrencies in existence, and the popularity and usage of these coins can vary widely depending on a variety of factors such as market demand, technological innovations, and community support.